New Moon Cosmic Energy. Beloved family, tomorrow, Friday, February 9th, we will experience a new moon in Aquarius that awakens and liberates. The energy of this moon creates a strong, energetic shift that affects those who feel trapped in the limbo of Ascension. This may relate to goals, family, love, friendship, etc., eliminating everything and everyone not meant for us. This is also a time when we are focusing on balancing everything we invest our energy in. Are we giving too much or too little? Are we pushing too hard or being pulled too strongly? Let's lean harmoniously inward and outward and not force something or someone who simply doesn't belong. In this new moon phase, be prepared for some sudden but positive changes related to everything that is not in your vibration. This moon invites us to completely abandon the incoherent energy of our mind, body, and soul so we can fully align with our destiny. To recognize this inner and higher voice, we can start focusing on internal rejuvenation, self-care, and mental well-being. Because ascending souls deserve this for themselves after all their hard and constant work. Those who ascend are guided by their higher self. This new moon is also about strengthening our faith and trust, as things are changing in the external world. On the ascending path, we are always tested by the ultimate trust in ourselves. As we ascend, we absorb and integrate our internal wisdom. The energies of this new moon in Aquarius are already felt, and many progressive souls are leaving deep generational traumas and repetitive cycles behind. All this causes mental exhaustion and fatigue, but is for one's good. However, ascending souls are aware of this and thus need more rest. There is an energetic internal healing, and it is best not to oppose what the physical body tells you it needs more now, which is rest. The current planetary change takes place on a quantum level beyond collective perception. These energies are an expression of what comes to the surface and reaches a climax. The old quickly fades away, making room for new energies. It is good, beloved brothers and sisters, not to resist as we are purifying. All this will help us experience a much stronger connection with the energies of the source of love's light, expanding in our internal and external auric field. This helps us not to feel alone and to physically feel their loving spiritual presence in the space of connection with your higher self. When your higher self fuses with your conscious being, your higher self expands, illuminates, and increases your higher self-consciousness frequency. Isn't this wonderful? Assimilation, integration, transmutation, transformation, and extensive recalibration take place in this new moon cycle. Aquarius also represents our basic internal values, the liberation from false structures. Higher conscious souls embody sovereignty, loyalty, courage, strength, bravery, and integrity. These are basic internal values that are developed and embodied in the ascending soul. Thank God, the time of people wearing masks, dishonest, two-faced people is ending. These will not fit in the new earth. May the energies of this moon in Aquarius help you resolve some blockages in you with your chakras. It's very important to have aligned chakras as they are energy portals. You can start doing energy cleansing today with an egg, Palo Santo, crystals, gems, amethyst, etc. Try to rest, listen to mantras, music that raises your vibrational frequency. Healthy foods, fruit and vegetable juices, do what you love, enjoy life, and good friendships. In universal love, with the light and the new moon, and Aquarius blessings. I wish you days of joy, peace, and well-being. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the light flame in service on Gaia, voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.